the F chord's really good because it introduces us to bar chords. We've got one finger here laid down across two strings. Bar chords are the ones that look like this. So this is kind of a mini version because we're only barring two strings with one finger. Now this F chord, it looks like C. If you've not seen that C video, then go and check that out. A link's in the description. C would be here, and to get to F we move down these two fingers, keep this one where it is, and then we're going to lay down that first finger. That's the F chord, starting from the 4th string with our plectrum. It is a quite tough chord, so just be patient with this one. Another variation will be a big F chord where we move up the 3rd finger, add the little finger. This would be the next step because this is a bit more of a squeeze. This is like the full bar chord here, apart from we move this down. So all these fingers are the same. That's a big F bar chord. This is just a big F normal chord. So normal F here, big F. If you can't play these ones, there's some easier variations. So an F major 7 would be where we just take off this bar. So we're just using one finger here. We don't lay it down. It sounds like this. It's called F major 7. Why is it called F major 7? Well, check out my theory video and you should understand that. Links in the description. But basically, if F is 1, we go through the alphabet, the musical alphabet, and what is number 7? Well, it's E, and that's why it's called F major 7, because this is an open E we play at the top. Another variation for this would be an F add 9 chord, so we have F major 7, but then we add this 9 here, which is a G note. So we've effectively taken away the 7 and replaced it with a 9, so it's an add 9. Sounds like that. If you're not in our Facebook group Guitar Practice, get yourself in there and you can learn everything you need to know to advance your guitar playing.